The internet isn't one giant computer. It isn't owned by one company, and it definitely doesn't live in the clouds. The internet is simply billions of devices connected together. Computers, phones, servers, smart TVs, game consoles, security cameras, even refrigerators. Every one of these devices communicates using the same language, a set of rules called Internet Protocol, or IP. Think of the internet as the world's biggest road system. Instead of cars, information travels. Instead of highways, there are cables. Instead of cities, there are computers. Every second, billions of tiny pieces of information, called packets, travel through this enormous network. Let's say you want to watch a YouTube video. The first thing your phone does is connect to your Wi-Fi router. The router acts like the traffic manager inside your home. It doesn't contain the internet. It simply knows where to send your request. From there, the request travels to your internet service provider, or ISP. Companies like Comcast, Verizon, AT&T, BT, Deutsche Telekom, and many others operate these networks. They connect millions of homes to the global internet. Now your request begins traveling far beyond your neighborhood.
Imagine trying to send a letter without knowing the destination. Impossible. Computers have the same problem. Every device connected to the internet has an IP address. Think of it as a digital home address. But websites use names like YouTube.com, Google.com, Amazon.com. These names are much easier for humans to remember. So who translates them into IP addresses? That's the job of DNS, the Domain Name System. DNS works like the internet's phone book. When you type YouTube.com, your computer asks a DNS server, "Where is this website?" Within milliseconds, DNS replies with the correct IP address. Now your computer knows exactly where to send the request. Now comes the fascinating part. Your request doesn't travel as one giant file. Instead, it is broken into thousands of tiny packets. Each packet contains a small piece of data, the sender's address, the destination, instructions for reassembly. Think of shipping a huge Lego castle. Instead of one enormous box, you send thousands of small packages. Each package can travel a different route. Eventually, they all arrive and are rebuilt into the original castle. The internet works the same way. As packets travel across the world, they encounter routers. Routers are specialized computers whose only job is deciding where packets should go next. Every router constantly asks, what's the fastest available path? If one cable is damaged, if traffic becomes congested, if an entire city loses connectivity, routers instantly choose another path. That's why the internet is incredibly reliable. Your data is constantly finding new routes, just like GPS navigation avoids traffic jams. Many people imagine satellites carrying most internet traffic. Surprisingly, they don't. More than 95% of international internet traffic travels through fiber optic cables lying on the ocean floor. Thousands of kilometers of glass cables connect continents. Light pulses travel through these fibers at nearly the speed of light. A message from Europe to America can cross the Atlantic Ocean in just a fraction of a second. These underwater cables form the true backbone of the modern internet. Without them, the digital world would almost stop. Eventually, your request reaches YouTube's servers, massive data centers containing hundreds of thousands of computers. The server processes your request, finds the video, breaks it into packets, and sends everything back along the internet. Again, not necessarily along the same route. Packets can take completely different paths home. Your computer patiently waits for every packet to arrive. Then it reassembles them into the web page or video you see. All of this usually happens in less than 1 second. People often say, my photos are stored in the cloud. But the cloud isn't floating in the sky. It's simply someone else's computer. More accurately, thousands of computers inside enormous data centers spread across the world. Companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Apple own gigantic facilities filled with servers operating 24 hours a day. When you upload a photo, it travels across the internet and ends up stored inside one of those physical machines. Every time you send a message, Watch a YouTube video, search Google, or open your favorite website? An incredible journey begins. Your data is divided into packets, translated by DNS, routed through countless routers, sent across underwater fiber optic cables, processed inside massive data centers, and returned to your device, all in less than a second. The internet may seem invisible, but behind every click is one of the greatest engineering achievements in human history. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments. What technology should we explain next? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.